Hello students, welcome back to NCERT Line by Line YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn how to balance a chemical equation. This is one of the most easiest way to balance a chemical equation. So your textbook method is little difficult when you compare it with my method, which I am going to teach you. So the first thing is, we'll see how to balance a chemical equation. We'll try with their own example. For example, we'll take this thing. Okay. So let me take one sticky note. Okay. What they have given here is Fe. I'll take this color. Fe reacts with water H2 to give Fe3O4 plus H2 gas. So the first step what we have to do is we have to write the coefficient. So what is coefficient? We just need to write A in front of Fe, B here, C here and D here. So A, B, C and D. So the first thing what we have to check is how many Fe are there in the left hand side. So there is only one Fe, right? So what is the coefficient of Fe? A. A will write. A is equal to how many Fe are there in the right side? 3. So what is the coefficient? C. So 3C. Now second, see how many H2 is, how many hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. 2B. 2B is equal to how many hydrogen here? 2, right? What is the coefficient? D. So 2D. This is first equation. This is second equation. And third equation, how many O is there here? Only one, right? So B. What is the coefficient? B. B is equal to how many O here? 4. What is the coefficient? C. So 4C. Now the second step what we have to do is we have to make any one of this coefficient as 1. In this I will make C as 1. Okay, C I will take it as 1. So what will be A? A is equal to 3. So we made C as 1. A is equal to 3. So what is B here? C is 1, right? So B is equal to 4. Now here D, if you see, 2 cancels. So B is equal to D, which is nothing but D is equal to 4. Now everything is done. Actually you got the answer. Now you just need to replace that. Okay, you have to replace this A, this B, this C and this D. I have to write it again. Okay, it's okay. So what is A? 3, right? 3 Fe plus how many? What is B? 4. 4 H2O gives, what is C? 1. 1 here Fe3O4, right? Plus what was here? H2, right? What is D? 4, right? So 4. This is 1, okay? Need not write 1, you just need to remove it. So I'll write it again. Okay. So this is the balanced chemical equation. Am I right? Yes. So if you didn't understand, I can do it again. Let me do it again for you guys. Now listen carefully. This is the last time I'm going to teach. Not that last time. Okay, let me do it for you again. Listen carefully what's happening. So Fe reacts with water to give Fe3O4 plus hydrogen H2 hydrogen. Now what we are doing, we'll write coefficients A, B, C, D. Okay, how many Fe are there here? 1 Fe. So A is equal to how many Fe are here? 3. So 3C. how many H2 is, how many hydrogen is here? 2. 2 what? What is the coefficient? B. 2B is equal to, how many hydrogen here? 2. 2B is equal to, what is the coefficient? What is the coefficient? D. 2D. Now, how many oxygen is here? Only one, right? So B. How many oxygen here? 4. 4. What is the coefficient? C. 4. C. Now, so the second step is make any one of the coefficient as 1. So I'll make C as 1. So C is equal to 1, which in turns means A is equal to 3, because C is equal to 1, A is equal to 3. Now C is equal to 1 we have made, so B becomes equal to 4, because C is equal to 1, so B is equal to 4. Now if you solve this equation, this 2 to cancel, so B is equal to D, which in turns means D is equal to, D is also equal to 4. Now we just need to replace the coefficients. A, what is A? What is A? No, just remove it. Okay. So what is A? A 3. What is B? 4. What is C? 1, which will not, right? What is D? It's again 4. So this is how you balance a chemical equation in a very easy manner. This is purely mathematics. If you know mathematics, you can easily solve this. Okay, it is not very difficult. If you know mathematics, you can easily solve it. It's only about solving the equation. If you know how to solve the equation, you can easily solve this. Okay, we'll learn few more examples, right? And we'll understand more. See, if you see the textbook, it is very huge and it's unnecessary to do all those things. And in the textbook method, it's more like guessing work you have to do, which is not accurate, right? Every time you can't guess. See, if you see the answer, see 3Fe 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2, which we got the answer. They did so many things and they got the answer. Okay, we'll do this one. The first one, CO. 1 minute. We'll do this. CO reacts with hydrogen to give CH3OH. Again, this is very easy. You can directly do it if you want, because only 2 is missing here, so you can just directly do it. We'll try with our method, because this method will work every time, but that guessing work will not work every time. Okay, so what we are first step is we'll write A, B, C. I'll do it little fast. So see, how many C is there? How many carbon is there? A. 1, right? So 1A. How many C here? C. Now, how many oxygen is here? Only 1. So A. How many oxygen here? Only 1. So C. So both equations are same. It's okay. No problem. So how many hydrogen is here? 2, right? 2 B, which is equal to, how many hydrogen here? Now just count. Here is 3 hydrogen plus 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4 hydrogen, that is 4C. Okay. Now second step is we'll make any one of the coefficient as 1. I'll make C as 1. If C is equal to 1, A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. So here C we made it as 1. So what is B? B is equal to 4 divided by, B is equal to 4 divided by 2. That is nothing but 2. Right? Yes. No, only one thing is, see, A is 1. Here, see, A is 1. B is 2. B is 2. What is C? C is 1. Again, C is 1. So we'll get the proper answer. So this is pure mathematics. So mathematics will never fail. Your guessing work can fail sometimes. Okay, but mathematics will never fail. So we'll try to solve few more examples, and we'll try to solve this questions table. Now see, the first question: why should magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning? I stressed it so many times. Now, by now you must know. So, because a formation of MgO, a thin layer of MgO will be formed. If this is a magnesium ribbon, this is magnesium, okay, Mg. a thin layer of magnesium oxide will be formed here on the surface. So magnesium oxide cannot react with oxygen. So we need to remove this layer. So magnesium ribbon is cleaned. So to remove the magnesium oxide layer so that it can burn perfectly. Okay. We'll try to solve, we'll try to balance other equations which is given here. So hydrogen reacting with chlorine to give HCl. Now see what they are telling is hydrogen reacting with Cl2 react with Cl2 to give HCl. Now again here it is very easy because here 2 HCl is there, 2 H2 is there, so you can directly write it like this. Whenever it is very easy to balance the equation, it's much better to directly do it. If you are not able to balance the equation, you can go to the easy method that I have taught and which is mathematical. Now see here, barium chloride. I will try to solve this. So what is this? Barium chloride. BaCl2 reacts with aluminium sulphate Al2 sulfur thrice, which gives barium sulphate BaSO4 plus aluminium sulphate AlCl3. So the first step is to write the coefficient, right? So what is coefficient? A. So here coefficient B. What is the coefficient over here? C. What is the coefficient over here? D. So how many BA is here? A. That is 1, right? A is equal to how many BA here? C. A is equal to C. Now how many Cl2 is here? 2. 2A is equal to how many Cl2 or chlorine is here? That is 3, right? So 3D. Now how many Al is here? 2, right? So 2B is equal to how many Al here? Equal to D. How many Al here? Only 1, right? So how many Al here? 2. So coefficient is B. So 2B is equal to how many Al here? 1. So 2B is equal to 1D. That is D. 2B is equal to D. Now SO4, I think, yeah, SO4 you can directly write as SO4. So how many how many SO4 here? 3, right? So 3B is equal to how many SO4 here? 1, because there is only one SO4. So 3B is equal to C. Now what we have to do is make any one of the coefficient as 1. So I'll make C as 1. If I make C as 1, what will be A? A is equal to 1. So A becomes equal to 1. C is equal to 1. If A is 1, what is D? D becomes 2 divided by 3. So if D is 2 by 3, then what will be B? B is 2 by 3, right? So 2 to cancel that. So B is equal to 1 by 3. Now it doesn't look good, right? So what we have to do? We have to multiply by everything with 3 because we can make it a whole number, right? This is in fraction. We should not keep it in fraction. So we'll multiply everything with 3. This is 3, this is 3, this is 3, multiply. 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel, 3. So this is 3, 3. So A becomes 3, B, C becomes 3, D is equal to 2, B is equal to 1. And we just need to replace the things. So what is this? What is A? What is B? What is C? What is D? What is A? A is 3, right? What is B? B is 1. Okay. C, 3 again. What is D? 2. So this is a balanced chemical equation. So this is very easy way. This is how you have to tackle with such kind of problems. Now there is something sodium with water. That is again easy. Now these two are the third one. These two are homework for you guys. You can solve this and please write it in the comment section. You just need to write the coefficient part. Don't write the entire equation. You just need to write the coefficient part. That's it. That is it. That's it for today's video. Thank you.